Okay, so today we're going to do a radiator flush on my 47 Ford 2N. So, all right, let's get to it. First thing you want to do is go ahead and there's your drain right there. So you want to turn that. There we go. There we go. Whew. Okay, so we're gonna let that drain out. Take the top cap off here. All right. Well, that's draining. We want to go ahead and disconnect the hose up top here. So now we got the hose disconnected. Okay, so next thing we want to do is disconnect this hose right here. Then we want to get the hose and put it in the top there and start flushing everything out. Now we got most of that out of there. We're just going to let it run for a little bit. And what it's doing, it's going through this entire engine here, clearing that out of all the old junk and the gunk that was in there. Now, we're going to do the same thing for the radiator. So we're going to go on top of the radiator. And that should start coming right out. Now that we flush that like that, we're going to go ahead and hook our vacuum up to it. So now we're going to hook our blower vac up to the top there, and we're going to blow the rest of the water out of there. same thing on top. All right. Now we go ahead and hook our hoses back up. So that's back on there nice and tight. Hey buddy, are you helping me? Yeah? All right, so we got the hoses hooked back up. Next thing we gotta do is come back over here, and now we gotta close up this valve here. That's closed now. Now we just gotta fill it back up. And I'm gonna use regular 50/50. This is CarQuest from Advanced Auto. And as you can see, you want to get it above the fins that are down there. So this is just right. So we'll start it up, get it warmed up, and then we'll recheck it and see where we're at from there. Okay, and we'll check to see if there's any leaks. I don't see any leaks coming from the shutoff valve. And check our hoses, make sure there's nothing dripping. So let's let that run for a little bit, get up the temperature, and then we'll check it and see where we're at for fluid level. All right, come on. Come on. Coming up. Were you driving the tractor? Yeah. All right. No leaks. No leaks. It's running good. No leaks. All right. So let's shut her down, and we'll come back out and check on her a little bit once she cools down. Check our fluid level and go from there. All right, now that it's had a chance to cool down, we'll go ahead and check it. And we're gonna just top it off a little bit more. Okay, we're just gonna top it off a little bit more just to cover up those fins there. Okay, you do just enough to cover up those fins. And let's put the cover back on, put the cap back on. All right, so everything's back together and we're ready to go for the winter now. So hope you like, enjoy, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye Obo. Bye guys.